levers, and what it means to pull them at McKinsey. If you are at McKinsey, you might hear a boss ask you what levers you're pursuing or seem most promising on a work stream or project. Some of you may already know, but for those who don't, I'll answer. What is a lever? Levers are initiatives that a team or client can use to move towards a targeted type of impact. With a creative mind, there are limitless options for how a company could improve itself. When creating the levers, however, the goal is to narrow down the options so that only the levers most relevant to the client's situation and goals are proposed. From where does the lever terminology come? The best way I've come across to think of this is to consider client as a machine. That machine generates a desired type of impact. The levers are the switches that turn on and off specific parts of the machine. What does it mean to pull a lever? Pulling a lever means to pursue a specific initiative, although remember that more than one lever can be pulled at once. So, why not pull all the levers? If every lever generates more impact, why doesn't the team simply pull all the levers? Well, to keep using the idea of a machine, each pull of a lever uses up an amount of fuel. In a company, fuel equals people, time, effort, and resources. When considering which levers to pull, you'll be looking for the levers which will generate the biggest impact. This is where you should remember the 80-20 rule. By doing this, it will optimize the investment of effort. Pulling a lever does not always equal positive outcomes. There may also be some levers which are outside of the team's control. Before trying to pull a lever, a company and its consultants should consider these last 2 points alongside the expected positive outcome.